Welcome to the True Fitness Service and Documentation YouTube channel. This video is part of a series on True's Unite touchscreen console. In this video, we will show you 3 different ways to access virtual videos on any of the 3 Unite console options. We will start by touching the Virtual tab on the home screen. This will start your workout countdown and take you directly to the virtual videos. The second way to access virtual videos on your Unite touchscreen console is through the Display tab during a workout. Once your workout has started, either by choosing Quick Start or a specific workout, you can touch the display triangle on the right side of the screen. This opens the display options where you can choose the virtual icon and jump right into the video. The third way to access virtual videos is by swiping through the slide transitions. Once in your workout, slide your finger across the screen until you get to the virtual video window. Now that we have shown you all 3 ways to get to the virtual workouts, we will now show you how to manage the videos and your workout. Touch the playlist image to open up the virtual videos available. Choose your favorite from the list available. You can change between virtual videos, expand to full screen, and still manage the speed and incline of your workout during the video. Once you complete your workout, you can easily end the workout and get to your workout data and have the machine ready for the next user. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other True Fitness Service and Documentation videos for more setup and support tutorials.